Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Soumya Patel from Jhansi. Today, I would like to speak on the topic Janmashtami. And do you know why do we celebrate Janmashtami? इस अंदाज में बोलो आप. बोलो जल्दी.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. ऐसे बोलो. जो तेज बोलो.
Yeah.
You like Santi?
Yes.
Do you like Santi?
No, I don't like sun.
Calmness means Santi. Peace.
Yes, I like peace.
Okay. बस जैसे मैंने शांति कहा, तो तुम कौन सी शांति के बारे में सोच रहे थे?
शांति मतलब peace.
Peace. Yeah. शांति. Sorry, Nitin.
Yes, sir.
Really, Nitin?
Yes, I am Nathan.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Nitin?
Yes, sir.
Nitin Prajapati?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
पक्का नितिन ही हो?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so चलिए नितिन. So first introduce yourself in 15 seconds only. Okay? Within 15 seconds you will have to introduce yourself. Then you would speak something on the topic. Favorite festival. Now hold the mic. Okay.
Okay. Good evening. Okay. Good evening, everyone. This is Nathan Prajapati. I am 17-year-old student. I am 17-year-old boy. I am 11th class student. I am belongs to Jhansi. I belongs to Jhansi. My short-term goal is to learn English, and my long-term goal is to become a teacher. So is to become a teacher. So I will present you a wonderful topic. Is my favorite festival is Dashera. Why we are celebrate Dashera? Because
why do we celebrate Dasera?
why do we celebrate Dashera? Because our Lord Sri Ram killed Ravan on that day. Because Ravan kidnapped her wife Masida. So he will killed on Dashera. So why Dashera means this is a festival of goodness. In this day we kill the badness and present our goodness, and that day we see in many places in India makes a statue of Ravan and his brother Kumbhakarna and his son Meghnad, and we burn out that statue. In statue we put some crackers and celebrate them, or we worship with Lord Ram, and also play Ram Leela and many folk dances. After Dashera, 4-5 days, 4-5 after Dashera we see a Diwali. Diwali is most popular festival in India, because in this day Sri Ramchandra ji back his home, came back Ayodhya, his hometown. So we celebrate that his comeback. Okay, thank you.
Very good, Nitin. Well done. You have spoken very well on the topic. So that is amazing. But now tell me, everybody can speak English?
Yes, sir.
Everybody can speak
Yes,
English?
everyone can speak English easily.
Okay, easily. It is not difficult task.
No, sir.
But some people believe that English learning is really very difficult task. What would you like to say them?
So, in my opinion, English are not a very hard subject. When you learn it with your heart and mind, so you will learn easily
Okay.
in some days.
Okay, within some days.
Within some days.
Or within some months.
Within some months.
Some months or some days?
Some months. Some
Okay.
months.
अगर कुछ महीने अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कर ली जाए तो everybody can speak English.
Yes, sir.
And it is really
Yes,
very
sir.
easy task.
It's very easy. task.
Okay, so now tell me, how many days have you spent in Success Point?
I'm spent in Success Point.
I have spent-
in 1 month in
1
Success
month,
Point.
something. Okay.
Something, yes.
So really very good. Well
Thank you,
done.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, go back. Yes, next I would like to call a very pretty girl, Soumya Patel. Please come on the stage and give a big round of applause. Give her a big round of applause. Yes, तालियां बजती रहिए जब तक सौम्या स्टेज पर आती है. Yes, please come. And now you will speak in very loud voice, in confident way. Okay? So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Look at the camera. Yes, come again. Come only 2 steps. Yes, Soumya. Now speak.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Soumya Patel. I study in class 11th. I am from Jhansi. My short-term goal is to learn spoken English, and my long-term goal is to become an IAS officer. My strength is that I can adapt in any environments and situations. My weakness is that I am a shy girl, and my hobbies are playing, reading, etc. Thank you. That's all about me.
Can you greet the audience in loud voice? Say yes or no?
Yes.
यस हाँ अभी अच्छा लगा यस क्लैप करिए सभी सौम्या के लिए तो कैसे करना है मैं एक बार बता रहा हूँ सेम उसी अंदाज में आपको करना है अब आगे आइए आगे यहाँ आओ गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन आई एम सौम्या पटेल फ्रॉम झांसी टुडे आई वुड लाइक टू स्पीक ऑन द टॉपिक जन्माष्टमी एंड डू यू नो व्हाई डू वी सेलिब्रेट जन्माष्टमी इस अंदाज में बोलो आप बोलो जल्दी
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन ऐसे बोलो जो तेज बोलो थोड़ी आवाज गला खुल के बोलो हाँ गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन ऐसे बोलो
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am from.
गुड इवनिंग ऐसे बोलो गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन आई एम सौम्या पटेल फ्रॉम झांसी ऐसे बोलो चलो बोलिए
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Soumya Patel and I am from Jhansi. Now I would like to
स्पीक
speak
the topic.
on the topic Janmashtami. And do you,
do you know finger शो करो शो द फिंगर एंड आस्क द ऑडियंस डू यू नो यस यस नो ऐसे करो डू यू नो पूछो पूछो डू यू नो फिंगर को ऐसे करते बोल डू यू नो नहीं अच्छे से करो कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ ये ऑडियंस बताएगी यस आई नो और दे डोंट नो यस डू यू नो
do you know?
व्हाई डू वी सेलिब्रेट जन्माष्टमी डोंट लव डू यू नो
Do you know?
फिंगर ऐसे करेंगे डू यू नो और डू यू नो यस कम ऑन स्पीक डू यू नो हम अरे पापा को वीडियो दिखाएंगे पापा बहुत खुश होंगे बोल डू यू नो
Do you know?
Why do we celebrate जन्माष्टमी हंसो मत डू यू नो बोलो डू यू नो
Do you know?
why do we celebrate जन्माष्टमी every year
Why should we celebrate Janmashtami every year?
why do we celebrate जन्माष्टमी every year
Why do we celebrate Janmashtami every year?
if you know
If you know,
then it's okay
then it's okay.
if you don't know
If you don't know,
it doesn't matter it doesn't matter
it doesn't matter.
don't worry
Don't worry.
I am Soumya Patel in इस अंदाज I am Soumya Patel well, I am Soumya Patel
I am Soumya Patel.
I will describe everything
I will describe everything.
now listen to me
So now listen to me.
if you are really if you are really
If you are,
really
if you are really
serious
serious and
want to know
want to know
why do we celebrate Janmashtami every year
why should we celebrate Janmashtami every year?
okay now listen
Now listen.
okay बाद में मत कहना कि मुझे पता नहीं बताइए कंटिन्यू we celebrate
We celebrate Janmashtami every year, and it is the most famous festival of India, and every people celebrate Janmashtami with pomp and show. On this day, the Lord Krishna was born, and
we remind Lord Krishna we remember Lord Krishna
and we remembered Lord Krishna, and we worship the Lord Krishna. On this day, people break the matki on high level, and feeding to each other makhan, and some people keep fast on this day, and I also keep fast on this day. Every people like this festival, and I also like this festival. Thank you.
okay so you like this festival
Yes, sir.
okay very good well done yes. give a big hand for her thank you okay go back next really are you fine
Yes.
fine
Yes, sir.
okay which color you like most
White.
white color mostly you put on red color t-shirt so what's the reason behind it why do you put on red color t-shirt mostly your friend is telling me sir Prince like red color
No, I don't like red color.
you don't like red color
No.
you like white color
Yes.
why do you like white color
Because white color is the presence of
coldness calmness
Yes.
so you like calmness
Yes.
you like shanti
Yes.
do you like shanti
No, I don't like
No,
sun.
calmness means shanti peace
Yes, I like peace.
ओके बस जैसे मैंने शांति कहा तो तुम कौन सी शांति के बारे में सोच रहे थे?
शांति मतलब पीस.
पीस, या शांति मतलब पीस. ओके चलिए.
So, hello everyone. My name is Prince Prajapati. I am from Jhansi, and I am studies in class 11th. So I study in class 11th. I would like. Sorry. So I want to speak some.
Today's
Uh-huh.
topic,
Today's topic.
favorite festival.
Today's topic, favorite festival. So my favorite festival is Diwali. I think Diwali is also your favorite festival. So please give me your answer in comment box. So let's start the topic. Diwali is the most important festival of the Hindus, and it is celebrated in Amavasya.
It is celebrated.
It is celebrated in Amavasya in the month of Kartik. In the month of Kartik, some people tells one day Lord Ram, Mata Sita, and his brother Lakshman returned Ayodhya after killing the Ravan, and all Indians are celebrated Diwali. In this day, we are all clean our house and paint, and also decorated our house with the colorful lights, and put on new clothes and buy some sweets, kheel and batasas, and the worship of Mata Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, and Sri Ganesh. On this day, children burst crackers and enjoy. Thank you. That's all.
Very good.
about
Well done. Well
this
done,
topic.
Prince. You did a wonderful job and you spoke very nicely on the topic. But now I want to ask a question. You told the Ravan.
Yes, sir.
मैं पूरी लाइन मुझे याद नहीं आ रही है. The Ravan or only Ravan.
Ravan.
But why we do not use article the before Ravan?
Sorry, sir.
Ravan is a proper noun.
Yes.
Okay? Okay, but well done. Okay, go. So next, Mishti. Yes, Mishti, come on the stage. Mishti. Your name is Mishti?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Mishti, what would you like to speak today? On which topic would you like to speak today?
I like Shivratri festival.
Shivratri. Shivratri is your favorite festival.
Yes,
So you like Lord Shiva?
yes, I like.
You like Lord Shiva or you like what? What? Nagaraj. Do you like Nagaraj?
Yes, I like.
Okay. You like Seb and उनके जितने भी गण वगैरह हैं सबको लाइक करते हो. गण जानते हो? नंदी बाबा and his whole family. Do you like his whole family? Kartik, Ganesha, Ma Parvati.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now.
So hello, good evening.
Come.
So hello, good evening, friends. Now I tell some lines on Mahashivratri. Shivratri is a festival of Lord Shiva. Some people keep fast on this festival, and some people drink bhang on this festival. This day was Parvati ji and Shivji's marriage. It is a very popular festival in the India. Some people keep havan on this festival. I also like this festival. It is a most happiest festival. Festival is a very most popular festival, and that's all.
Okay, very good. So this is your favorite festival and you like Lord Shiva. Do you offer one lota jal to Lord Shiva daily? नहीं. But you like. दूर से ही like कर लेते हो. शंकर जी प्रणाम. मज़ा आया हो तो ठीक है, नहीं आया तो कल फिर मिलेंगे, कल फिर करेंगे. Okay? So do you like to offer one lota jal to Lord Shiva daily?
No.
उनको ऑफर करते हो? एक आध दिन कर लेती महीने में, कभी जल चढ़ाया? अब कभी मिले तो पंकज जी के पास जाके एक लोटा जल भी चढ़ा देना. ओके ओके, वेरी गुड. Okay, so you did a wonderful job and very nice. Very nice, Mishti. Yes, give a big hand for her. Yes, Mishti, go. Down to गधों को सबको. Who is talking? बोलो.
Who is talking?
Who is talking?
Who is talking?
बोलो.
Keep silent
Keep silent. Okay. And don't talk.
and don't talk.
Otherwise,
Otherwise, punish you.
okay, I will punish you.
I will punish you.
Are you listening to me?
I will.
Are you listening to
Are
me?
you listening to me?
Say yes or no.
So yes or no?
Yes or no.
Yes or no?
Listening.
Listening.
So please sit silently, okay?
So please keep silent
And listen.
and listen me.
My favorite festival, Raksha Bandhan.
And my favorite festival, Raksha Bandhan.
Everyone,
Good evening, everyone.
My
My
name
name is Mohini Prajapati. Today
I want to speak.
I want to speak
On the topic.
on the topic my favorite festival.
My favorite festival is
My favorite festival is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is the most famous festival in the world. Raksha Bandhan is a symbol of bond, the protection, brother and sister. It is symbol of love, care, and
good, very
and
good.
protection. On this day, sister put
Tied Rakhi
sister tied Rakhi
on brother's wrist.
on brother wrist, and then brother give a gift and promise to protect them,
Very good, very nice. Yes.
and the highlight the
So this is really very auspicious festival.
so this is very auspicious festival in the world. So that's all about my favorite festival.
Okay, very good. Well done, Mohini, well done, well done.